Hello. Welcome to your first English lesson. Today, we will learn 10 simple phrases for your first day at work. Listen and repeat.
Hello, my name is Ashley. Hello, my name is Ashley. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where is my desk? Where is my desk? What is my task today? What is my task today? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I understand, thank you. I understand, thank you. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? I am finished for today. I am finished for today. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Great job! You have finished Lesson 1. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to subscribe for Lesson 2. See you next time. Goodbye.